Alright guys, came here to do a video. The amazing dog versus a bird. Trying to get in the cage. Come on, princess. Oh, you don't like the bird? Yeah, girl. Come on. Yeah, girl. You don't like dogs. Clean my fingernails and everything. This is Joy. This is my pet. This is PS Man here. Well, definitely my dog doesn't like this bird at all. Just for Joy. You live in peace in there, huh? Don't you? You have a parrot right here. What are you doing? Well, these are my this is PS Man's pets instead. I got a fat dog here too. He's eating. And also she hates this parrot. I'm gonna bring it to her one last time. See? I'll help her. See? Well, that should be enough. You like the parrot, huh? That's you. Well, this is PS Man here, signing out.